In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to multiple photos automatically using Adobe Photoshop, perfect for both portrait and landscape photos. Let's dive right in. First, open up Adobe Photoshop on your computer. It's essential to have your watermark prepared before we start. This could be a logo, some text, or whatever you want to use to secure your images. Open your watermark image in Photoshop and make sure it has a transparent background if it's an image. For text watermarks, adjust the color and stroke to ensure it's visible over your photos. Resize and position the watermark as you like, and then save this prepared watermark as a separate file in either PNG or PSD format to maintain quality and transparency. Once you have your watermark ready, we need to create an action in Photoshop. Begin by opening any image in Photoshop. This image will serve as our template while we create an action. Head over to the window menu at the top and select Actions from the drop-down. In the Actions panel, find the Create New Action button, which looks like a folder icon, and click it. Name this new action something recognizable like watermark, then hit the record button. Don't worry, we'll walk through everything step by step and you can stop recording whenever needed. Now, it's time to embed the watermark. Go to the File menu at the top, select Place Embedded, and choose your watermark file from your saved location. Place the watermark on your image, resizing, rotating, and positioning it to fit your preference. You might want to adjust the opacity or add specific effects to blend the watermark seamlessly into the image. When satisfied, press Enter to finalize the placement. Next, you'll want to save your work and stop recording the action. Go back to the File menu and select Save As. Choose your destination folder, which can be the same or a new one. Give the file a new name, perhaps by adding /watermarked to the original name to differentiate it. Click Save, close the image, and then in the Actions panel, click the Stop Recording button. Lastly, let's batch process your images to apply this watermark action automatically to multiple photos. Go to the File menu again, navigate to Automate, and select Batch. In the Batch dialog that appears, choose the action you created earlier, Watermark. Then select the folder containing all the images you want to watermark as your source. For the destination, choose where you want the watermarked images to be saved. You can decide to override save commands and hide the Save As dialog to expedite the process. Once everything is set, click OK and watch as Photoshop automates the watermarking of all your selected images. And there you have it, a hassle-free way to watermark numerous photos at once using just a simple action in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.